Giving you a little quick snippet into the way my mind works and how I just kind of go with the flow, and you never know where my paintings are going. Heck, I don't even know. I just kind of go how I feel, and here I'm adding in a house, and later in this video I kind of show you the finished piece, and you'll see this house finished, and you'll kind of learn a little bit more what I put in here. If you like this video, give it a like. If you want to see more videos from me, tell me what kind of content you're looking for. I'm just getting started out on videos. I can't say I'm very good at it, but I'm trying my hardest here. Lots of people ask me to do videos, so I'm trying. If you have a name suggestion for this piece, because I haven't named it yet, please let me know down below. And keep watching to see the completed piece. Hi again, Sherry Arthur here. This is the completed piece from the earlier video of me painting. As you can see in the earlier video that I was creating this house right here. So now you know what it looks like, all finished up right there. I like to put a lot of eyeballs in my artwork. Not sure why. I'm obsessed with eyes, but here's my little flowers. They have little eyeballs. Here you have some wire whisk from a kitchen. I was sitting here painting this, and I asked a friend if she could name some kitchen utensils, and wire whisk was one of them. So it became the light post in this painting. Over here, we have two little guys, and they are holding up a bridge. You know, everybody needs a job. And so do these little guys. And here's a little sign. It says, "Love ahead." I'm also very much into music, so you'll see a lot of musical things in a lot of my paintings. And here you have a guitar house. And you can see the music coming out of the house. And right here is his little porch. It goes into a pool. And there he is enjoying his time in this pool. Over here we have some more little guys holding up a piece of land with a house on it. Hopefully they can keep holding that. Or they're going to be pushed. I like to put ladders in a lot of my paintings. You'll see that. I'm not sure why I have an obsession with ladders, other than I don't like to climb on them, so that could be why. Pretty much the inspiration for this piece was I was outside and I was slinging paint, and it got too hot, and I came back in, and it kind of sat on the side there for a little bit, and this was born out of nowhere. I'm not really sure, other than, you know, I wanted to keep it all in black, white, and gray, because I absolutely love black, white, and gray. It is my favorite. And while I get compared because of my black and white obsession to another artist that we won't name here, but this is just me. And at the end of this video, I'm going to prove it, because I have a bunch of pictures of all the black and white things that are outside my house, because that's what I use as my decorating, is black and white. So I will put those there at the end here, and I thank you for looking, and take care.